So far we got the oil pan off and the timing cover off, and we're going to see what's going on with it. But the timing chain, everything's still intact. It's definitely stretched. It needs to be replaced while it's opened up. And we're gonna find out what's inside this oil pan, but from what I can tell, it don't look too filthy in there. So we're gonna go with the new oil pump and timing chain set. Here's the oil pump here, and the new timing chain set I got right here in a box that I ordered. It's a Cloyes timing chain kit, complete, brand new. And that there will be going in there, and I'll send the video when I get that in there with the new oil pump and the lifters. I don't see anything else going on with this vehicle other than that and a worn out timing chain.